want education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. These words are the guiding force behind Swami Vivekananda Arunodaya Vidyalaya under the aegis of Sri Har Kasturi Memorial Trust, making dreams come true for the young minds through the teachings and principles of Swami Vivekananda. SVAV was established in April 2013 at Hapur, Uttar Pradesh, for children belonging to economically weaker sections of society. True to its name, the school is a ray of blooming hope for these children in their lives. At SVAV, we work towards creating an education program that seamlessly integrates modern education with Vedic learning values, thereby inculcating character building within the pedagogy.
Endless doors of possibilities open when a student enters the gates of Swami Vivekananda Arunodaya Vidyalaya. Swami Vivekananda said, "All power lies within you. You can do anything and everything." His principles being our guiding light, our endeavor is to help students to excel in every field by providing them opportunities for their holistic development.
We run a learning curriculum that is NEP compliant with 8 classrooms, computer lab and total strength of 157 students with an impressive student-teacher ratio of 1:11. SVAV is a co-educational school with special focus on girls' education, aiming to empower all students with quality life through better education and other facilities. Each new batch of Class 1 has 14 girls and 6 boys. SVAV is steadily moving towards its goal of becoming a green school by inculcating environment-friendly practices like reuse of wastewater facilities, minimizing waste generation and use of solar panels for energy efficiency. Our students are also constantly engaged in environmental care activities from a young age. Planting trees, monitoring water and energy consumption through special projects, and practicing biodegradable waste management are part of curricula. With a new lesson to learn every day at SVAV, students begin their day by assembling in the school ground for 20 minutes in the morning, offering their prayers and gratitude before beginning the day. Students are also engaged in yoga classes. Teachers conduct remedial class, giving extra attention for some students to improve in academics. Students take their designated lesson plans in general science, fine arts, history, geography and mathematics, learning and studying under the guidance of highly skilled faculty.
इस स्कूल को जब देखा मैंने, इतनी अच्छी सुविधाएं, मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि इतना बेटर स्कूल में हमारे बच्चे पढ़ेंगे। कि सभी जो बुक्स वगैरह वो फ्री मिलती है और जो ड्रेस वगैरह है वो भी फ्री मिलती है और बच्चों को खेलने की सुविधाएं बहुत अच्छे से दी जाती है।
Believing in overall development of a student's personality, we also carry out extracurricular activities along with regular classes for exposure to new ways of learning. Thus, engaging students in non-scholastic activities such as music, dance, karate, cultural day celebrations, foundation day event, sports day and much more.
इस स्कूल के माध्यम से उसे सारी ही चीज़ें उपलब्ध हैं, कॉपी, किताब, ड्रेस, खाने पीने, हर चीज़ की सुविधा इस स्कूल से मिलती है।
The school offers wholesome, nutritious meal plans for every student that includes breakfast after assembly, lunch and supper with a carefully selected menu.
मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ कि मेरी बेटी इस स्कूल में पढ़ रही है, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रही है, सारी टीचरें हैं, वो अच्छे से ध्यान देती हैं और स्कूल में सब चीज़ कराई जाती है, योगा भी है, ड्रेस भी मिलती है, लंच भी मिलता है।
We also have robust programs for our teachers and know your country educational trips with our students, giving them the opportunity for experiential learning.
My name is Himanshi. I am the head girl of the school. The strong foundation of our school is based on the ideas and philosophy of Swami Vivekanand and covers all the aspects of life, physical, emotional, moral and spiritual. Hence, my school is like my second home.
My name is Yashwardhan. I am head boy of the school. I love my school and I am proud of it. Here, the teachers are very kind and helpful. We are taught various subjects, out of which one is life skill.
इस विद्यालय में संस्कृत कक्षा प्रथम से रखी गई है। कक्षा प्रथम से 8वीं तक के लिए संस्कृत भाषा को उपयोगिता रखी गई है। इस विद्यालय में अपने बच्चों को संस्कृत के माध्यम से, संस्कृत के छोटे छोटे श्लोक, छोटे छोटे गीत के माध्यम से, कथा के माध्यम से हम संस्कृत में उनको धारा प्रवाह बोलना, पढ़ना, लिखना सिखाते हैं।
SVAV also provides evening classes for 9th to 11th standard students. Most of our passed out students coached and guided for their higher education. A total of 27 students are coached in our school that helps them prepare for higher education by giving them access and support to educational resources and study materials.
ये हमारे पहले बैच और दूसरे बैच के छात्र और छात्राएं हैं। हमारा ये स्कूल, ये प्रोजेक्ट HKMT के तहत शुरू हुआ था।
In this school, I got the opportunity to build my confidence to face the mundane world. Here, teachers are like our mentor, guide, and guardian.
We learnt a lot of lessons here. These lessons refers to our practical life. We used to visit different places like Odisha, West Bengal, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and etc. We learnt about their culture, traditions, history, and importance. We learnt about our own culture so deeply through prayers, yoga, and other curricular activities.
The school is well equipped with a modern computer lab, making our students at par in terms of learning and innovation. Our faculty's encouragement for children has led to our tech-savvy students already develop applications for automation of class attendance and presentation-based quiz and learning games.
Few students are creating some mobile apps also, just like attendance app. One team has been created here, and some of them are working on HTML website as well. And there are many more programs which are still continuing to make them better programmer.
In our spirits to create global citizens, we work with the belief of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and hope that these children will touch new horizons in their lives.